is it possible for me to develop my own web application without anybody's help? And the answer is yes, of course it is possible. There are a plethora of resources available online, which I'm sure you have seen it all. Well, most of them require that you already understand this or that. I'm actually creating a solution for just that purpose. So I'm going to take care of the infrastructure and the database and where is it hosted and how do I buy the domain name or all that. And you are left with just creating the structure of your application, which is the fields that should be present in the database or created in the database and in the user interface. So you're given a simple way of coming up with those fields, and then all the rest is taken care of on your behalf. Also, and I'm just coming up with this point right now, I don't have a point. That's it. Cheers. So yes, not cheers. Wait a minute. So will I be able to create a web application without anybody's help? The answer is yes, you will. It just will take some time, like maybe a week or so, for you to just kind of come to understand and feel how it works and where things belong. But I promise you it's going to be easy and it's going to be straightforward, and you're not going to be frustrated like you probably have been or are with other stuff, everything. Yeah. Cheers.